Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add text on Instagram Reels for different times. If you're using Instagram and you want to add text on your Instagram Reels for different times interface, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app. Very first argument you have to update your Instagram app to prevent issues. Once you have updated your Instagram app, you have to tap on this plus option and select the reel, and you have to select your video which you want to edit or in which you want to add your text. For example, I'm going to select this one. Just select the video, then tap on the next option here, and you just have to tap on this text option and add the text which you want to add in starting. So for example, I'm going to add anything here. So once I've added, tap on the done option here, and the text has been added here. Just tap on this edit video option, and here you will get your text. You just have to crop or you have to close or on which time interval you want to add the text. For example, I'm going to add the text at almost 5 seconds here. Once you have done, just tap on here, and here you have to play the video from starting here. So once you have started play the video for starting, you just have to check if your text is working or not. So here you can see after 5 seconds the text has been forward or it has been disabled. So now I'm going to add more text here. Just have text option again on the interval and what to add. So for example, I'm going to add anything here. And once I've added, tap on done option. Then go to edit video option again, and you have to select the time interval for which you want to add your text. So once I've added, tap on this option and tap on empty place, then tap on next option again. And okay, tap on share, and the video will be shared for with text with different time intervals you have set it. So in this way, you can easily add text on Instagram Reels for different times intervals. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.